Let's learn about arithmetic patterns. Arithmetic patterns are patterns that help us discover the patterns in increasing and decreasing numbers. Let's look at some examples. In this list, 52, 44, 36, 28, 20, 12, each term is decreasing by 8. That means the rule is to subtract 8. If we continue this pattern, the next number would be 12 minus 8, which is 4. In this next list, 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, each term is increasing by 10. If we continue this pattern, we would get 54 plus 10, which equals 64. Sometimes we have to recognize patterns in tables. Let's look at this first table. Going from 3 to 21, it's increasing. That means we're either going to multiply or add. I can get to 21 from 3 by multiplying by 7, or I could add 18. To see which one is the correct rule, let me see which one works for the rest of the values of the table. To get from 4 to 22, I can't multiply by 7. It only works if I add 18. Same with the other values. So the rule must be to add 18. That means to find the output when the input is 7, I need to calculate 7 plus 18, which equals 25. So 25 is the missing number. Let's try the second table. To get from 5 to 45, I could either multiply by 9 or add 40. If I look at the second set of values, to get from 6 to 54, I would have to multiply by 9. The rule multiplying by 9 works for all the values in the table. That means to figure out the missing value, I need to calculate 8 times 9, which is 72. So 72 is my missing value. We can also recognize patterns in pictures. To figure out the pattern, let's identify how big each shape is. The first one is 3 boxes tall and 3 boxes wide. The second one is 5 tall and 5 wide. Then 7. So if I have 3, 5, 7, the pattern is adding 2. So that means the next value in the pattern would be 7 plus 2, which is 9. So it should be 9 tall and 9 wide. So our next shape would look like this. Let's try some practice problems. What rule is used to make the pattern below? Well, the pattern is decreasing. To get from 93 to 85, I have to subtract 8. When I continue subtracting 8, I get 77, 69, 61. So the rule works. That means the rule for this pattern is subtract 8. Let's try this one. What expression can be used to find the value of n in the table below? Well, to get from 4 to 24, I either have to multiply by 6 or add 20. But to get from 5 to 30, I have to multiply by 6. So the rule must be to multiply by 6. That works for all the values in the table. So to figure out the output of 7, I would need to calculate 7 times 6. That would be my expression. Here's a picture pattern. The first 5 terms in a shape pattern are shown below. Which of the following would be true of the 6th term? Let's see. The first shape is 3 columns by 1 row. The second shape is 3 columns by 2 rows. Then 3 by 3, 3 by 4, and 3 by 5. The columns are staying the same, but the rows are increasing by 1 each time. That means the next shape would be 3 columns and 6 rows. That would give us a total of 18 circles, since 3 times 6 is 18. The answer choices are talking about the number of circles, 18. We know 18 is not a multiple of 4, and it's not an odd number, so we can eliminate those 2 answer choices. 18 is even, but it's not divisible by 5. So this answer choice must be correct. Great job! Now you're ready to practice some problems. Good luck!